Well, boys, today's the day. We are continuing our journey, or starting our journey back home. It has been one hell of a week. We've been here in Florida for a week, hung out at the compound, got to do some fun stuff, get our car right. Then we had the LZ Invitational this weekend, which was just such a memorable experience. It was amazing. I can't thank LZ and his team enough for putting that on. This was a long one, even especially for Austin. Shout out to Austin for getting us those daily vlogs. We've never been able to do that. And this trip we did. So
7 videos, bro.
7 videos in a row. So we're probably gonna miss a video for this video. So hope you guys could forgive us. But I don't know what the journey has in store for us, but we're gonna record it because that's what we do. Someone took the truck and the trailer through the McDonald's drive-thru last night, almost wiped the sign out. It was bad.
Oh, we did it. Ronald McDonald would have been tight.
Morning.
Good day. Good day? You look chipper than ever.
Yeah. What's up, babies?
You ready?
Morning.
I'm ready. Ready enough. Got my Hardee's. What do we have?
We've had way too many Hardee's, too much Hardee's.
This is my first time this trip because I refuse to eat this place, but whatever. You got to do what you got to do. All right, let's get the f home, please. I'm ready. Let's go. We're doing 100.
Alright, so first pit stop, there was a ethanol gas station right off the highway, so we're going to fill up our jugs with eat while we can because there isn't anything super close near home. Might as well, right?
Yeah, go ahead
but
and fill them up.
One thing we didn't address, which I meant to address early on, was the Mark II, the 110, right? The car from Method. We were trying to put a plan together basically all weekend, and we figured out the best plan of action. I think it's a good one, right, T-Bone, with the 110? With the 110, plan of action, good plan.
Yeah. Yep.
All right, so as you guys know, winter is upon us in Connecticut. Literally, it's winter time.
It sucks.
It sucks. There's salt on the ground. We're not driving nice cars, so I'll bring that car home. It's going to sit in the shop. We're going to stare at it for 4 or 5 months, and it's going to be a tease. So what we decided to do with the blessing from Adam was leave the car in Florida and give us an excuse to come down to Florida. We're going to stack some parts up, then we're going to fly down, have some fun, bang it out, and just give us a good excuse to go hang with the boys again in the warm weather. And I can't wait to touch the car.
It's gonna be sick.
It's gonna be really sick. So it all worked out amazing. I still don't believe I own that car. It's pretty crazy. The Method boys gifted that to me. Every time I think about it, I just kind of get speechless because it's just like a rush of emotions that is just like so freaking cool. So let's fill these e-pumps up. I gotta pee so damn bad. Road food.
Road food.
Steve?
Back in here. We getting into them cold parts of the country. Gotta stay warm. Get your shiesty.
Grant's already rolling.
Got that thing on me. What's this looking like? How's that pizza?
Not bad.
You filthy.
Told you I'm never lacking. Chicken wings in a bag.
You're a menace, dude. How you doing, Spoon? It's like Europe. You fill up, then you pay. Crazy. 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 10 hours ago, I think. Grant's getting sassy. Spoon, sleepy. Steve, poopy.
I was in there fighting demons.
good fit now.
without you, my friend.
Bye, everyone.
And the future, something, something. This is
See you again.
this is where we depart.
I know.
It is about.
That was good, Steve.
That was too good. We might get copyrighted.
I know. For real.
So we are in Virginia. We're about, I'd say, about 60% of the way home. 65.
No, we're
Almost under 6 hours.
Okay, we're 2/3 of the way home.
2/3 of the way home.
We're gonna get a hotel instead of going through all the night and being miserable tomorrow. We're actually gonna sleep.
And we're gonna go through all the middle of the night and be miserable tomorrow.
I love
So we're gonna see who feels better tomorrow.
And for the sake of research, you know, that's why we're doing this.
That's exactly why we're doing this.
But what's sick is Aiden's shop is like 0.2 miles from here, and so we're gonna go bug him because we always do, and we almost didn't this trip. So
There you go. 2 birds, 1 Jimmy.
getting 2 birds stoned. Boys, I love you. Take care of him.
I will.
All right, he's a little shit.
He's my new road dog.
James, make sure you put a cover, cover.
Cover. Hey,
the back.
Hey, make sure you cover it too. You know, wrap it up tight.
I want to see you again, and I see you again.
Hey.
What's going on?
Just a big circle. We got the focus, dude. Yeah. I know, bro. Come on, let's go see what Aiden's been up to.
Phenomenal.
My little man.
My little
man.
My little man. This is my pops right here. This is my pops right here. You did good. I just watched the video a little bit ago.
Appreciate
I
that.
got my hitter right here.
Every time I come here, there's a different car in the trailer.
I love that you kept the ambers too.
Just for you. I love it. God, dude. Good horse, huh?
Phenomenal horse. Huh?
You look taller. You grown?
Nah.
You drinking some milk?
Smoothies every day.
If you guys don't know who Aiden is, how do I describe Aiden? Oh man. Aiden, what are you? Internet personality himself. Everyone knows Aiden.
I don't know.
You're
People ask what I do.
A merengue singer.
I don't know what I do, bro. I live life. Exactly. You look tired, bro. You're gonna get a long Looks like you just woke up.
It's been a long week. Why is it so pretty?
It's unbelievable. It's got 27,000 miles. It was sitting in a barn from 81 until 2014.
The Bentley oil cap? Yup. That goes crazy. Yup. The carbureted ITVs on a 16 valve?
Yeah, it's
Weird. Volkswagen stuff.
yeah. So I'm not stupid hip to Volkswagen shit, but he said it's an ABF. I was in a barn for how many years is that? 30, 40?
That's not
No,
obviously
30.
the original color. It's been painted and stuff.
No, it is.
Bullshit.
It's all original except the bay and the 2 fenders.
bullshit.
Swear to God.
You bringing that? You bringing that joint bike?
Bro.
Bring it. Damn.
Where'd you find this? Look how nice. Look at.
What kind of barn was this in? Original.
This shit was not in a barn. This was in a temperature control.
Miami blue.
How beautiful this thing is.
Blue guts. This thing is nuts, bro. Nah, come over here. Look at the driver's side, Jim.
Hey,
This
Austin.
thing don't even need B-roll. It's so fire. Look at it. Look at it. It's so
Hey,
good.
Austin. You gotta let the people know my boy Aiden hosts a bachata night on Tuesdays. Every Tuesday, come through, check it out.
What the fuck is
Talk about how. Look at this E36. This thing's static, by the way. It's not on
No
air.
way.
That's not on air.
Tucking in the rear.
This is very, very fresh.
It's just so dialed.
It's the boom boom room up here. The freako spot. I'm here with Aiden, electrifying like Raiden.
Right out the truck, just started fucking.
Welcome to your crib, bro.
You know, they say we wouldn't be much, Austin. But you know what? We got hotel keys.
Room 238.
Let's get some heat on. It's cold, man. Florida, I miss you already.
See you in the morning.
Good morning, guys. You look like you wanted to stay in that bed. How about you? How'd you guys sleep?
Good. We're back to the area of cold. It's only getting colder from here. We got a long winter ahead of us, Spoon. Nice. Ugh. Wouldn't recommend it.
Which is why I did it.
One eternity later.
That's a familiar sight. Well, it got to the point of the trip where we were so over traveling that we put the camera away, but hasn't been the most entertaining, which is good. Entertaining means something bad happened, honestly. The guys are tired, they're grumpy, and rightfully so, but the cars are here. Everything's great. We made it through that whole competition with, I'll say, minimal damage on the E36. The lower rear quarter got a little something, but that's it. Could have been a lot worse, so I don't even know what to say. I feel like I should have this, like, I was thinking about talking like this whole thing up about like just like kind of like mentally recapping the week and how amazing it was, but I'm so absolutely brain dead that I'm so speechless to it. I don't want people to think that I didn't have an absolutely amazing time. So for now, I just want to give a quick update before I end it for today, because, well, you know, we're coming back to a lot, and oh man, it's nice to be in the shop. Very nice. Oh yeah, by the way, Brian's working on his car, which is really nice to see, and the interior is like back together. So we all love to see that. It actually feels like a car. He painted his door cars black, which is really nice because it used to be tan. So I think we're gonna finally tune Brian's LS probably early next week, right? Literally Christmas in like 3 days. But I forgot to say it, we actually have we're doing like a small drop on Friday. This video goes out Thursday, and we actually have a new batch of skateboards. We did the coupe and the FD, and the designs are awesome. We didn't do a lot because they're pretty expensive to get made, but those will be on the site Friday. But the thing we've been thinking about is the 8.6, right? So before I went to Drift Week, I rushed to get this thing together enough so we could finally hear it, and it's been basically sitting ever since. So I wasn't as proactive as I wish I would have been on ordering stuff to come back to, but it's been a lot just trying to get through the whole Florida thing. So, but my goal is to get this thing on the ground this week, maybe early next week, and then we can start wiring it up, do an exhaust, and actually hear the thing run, like not screaming loud with the downpipe, and let it run and not overheat. So I just completely forgot, my yellow S15 has been gone. If you guys don't remember, Wiring Specialties brought it with them to PRI Auto Show, and they had it at their booth, and it was really cool kind of being away on Instagram and seeing everyone post a car. Got a lot of love at the show, which was really freaking cool. Larry Chen posted it and said it was like his favorite car at the show, which was amazing. Like, that was opening my phone and seeing that was just like, oh my god, you know. The whole like last couple weeks has just been like, it's just been absolutely amazing. Hey RJ, I thought you'd go home by now.
No, I had a lot of work to do, and I had a great day, so I'm celebrating.
Oh, hi, I haven't seen you.
Welcome back. I haven't seen you in 3 days. How was your trip? Did you have fun?
Yeah, it was just
long travel.
I'm sure. Traffic
God,
sucks
you-
in the
You
Northeast.
smell like booze.
We gotta end this because we need to get home and get some sleep. So, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And RJ?
Have a sparkling evening.
Oh, Jesus.